Hi guys, in the last few months this faceless YouTube channel has earned over $18,000 from uploading these simple fitness videos, and if we take a closer look at it, this channel is trending this year. The most popular video on this channel has over 1 million views, and in total this channel has over 3.5 million views, which is just insane. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own YouTube fitness channel with AI. My name is Mr. Know How Now, and on this channel I'm trying guides from different tutorials on how to grow on YouTube and see if we can duplicate the results and earn from it as a total beginner or with no experience at all. So if you have the patience to watch this video until the end, I will give you a simple way of making money with this channel. So join me, because we will do everything from creating the channel and designing the images to writing scripts and creating our first video together. I got you covered, so let's start. First, let me call for help so I can assure you of the best and easiest tutorial to watch.
Hi, I am Asia, your AI guide today. What can I do for you?
Hello Asia, could you give 3 guides for creating a viral fitness channel and combine them to make the greatest steps or guides in creating these channels?
Sure, I will give you 3 guides and mix it together for one great tutorial.
Thanks Asia. This is the tutorial Asia provided. It looks promising. So let's proceed and do this blueprint in creating a viral fitness channel. Step 1, the channel. We obviously need a channel and the branding for it. Just in case you already know how to create a channel and the logo, feel free to use the timestamps below to skip this step. But if not, go over to youtube.com and create a channel. On the site, go to the upper right side, hit on your profile icon, then click switch account, and at the bottom, hit view all channels. Next, press create a channel. Here we are going to need a channel name. To do this, head over to ChatGPT. Here, we are going to ask ChatGPT to create a viral fitness channel name. Asia, can you give us the prompt needed to do this?
Don't worry, I already prepared the prompt. Just copy and paste it to the site.
Thank you, Asia. Now let's head back to ChatGPT. Here we will just paste the prompt. It will generate a viral fitness channel name. Now pick the name that you like and simply copy it, then paste it into your name field and make a username as well. Next, tell ChatGPT what name you chose and ask it for a short channel description that is well organized and has emojis for extra engagement. Once it's done, paste it into your descriptions. Next, we will need a logo for the channel. To create a logo, we will need an AI image generator. For this tutorial, I am going to use Leonardo AI. Remember guys, all the links are in the description and pinned in the comments section. Now head over to Leonardo AI and click on image generation. Next, I will choose Leonardo's photo effect. Then below, in the image dimension section, put in 1:1 and small 896 by 896, since that's close to YouTube's logo format. Asia, can you provide us with a prompt that can create a viral fitness logo for Leonardo AI?
I already created the prompt. Just copy it.
Thank you, Asia. Now we will just paste the logo prompt given by Asia and hit generate. Our logo is done. Just select and download the one you like. Now go back to the YouTube studio and simply upload your logo. We are done creating the viral fitness channel. Let's move on to the next step. The next step is generating viral fitness video ideas and scripting. Now, let's use Google Gemini to find the first 25 video ideas. Asia, can you give me the prompt needed here?
I already created the prompt. Just copy it.
Thanks, Asia. Now we go to Google Gemini and paste the prompt related to fitness and exercise, then generate. After generating, we would see that Google Gemini has given us 25 video ideas. Just select one and we move on to scripting. For scripting, we will head back to Google Gemini. Just tell it to create a script for a YouTube video about the selected video idea. Just wait for Google Gemini to generate, then copy and edit the script to Google Docs, and we are done. So let's go over to the next step. Next is step 3, which is generating the voiceover. If you have an amazing voice, you can go ahead and record a voiceover. But if you want the help of AI, I am going to use a popular tool called ELEVENLABS. There are a lot of sites with AI voice generating tools, but ELEVENLABS is solely dedicated to AI voices and has the most realistic voices you can't find anywhere else. To start, just hit the sign up button on top. Once you're signed up, let's get right to it. Let's head over to the voice library and select a voice for our narrator. For this video, I am going to use Natasha's. Then let's go over to the speech synthesis section. In settings, choose the voice design you added from the voice library. Now click voice settings. Voice settings have a big influence on how the voice sounds and performs. We must play around with these settings to find the best tone and performance for our content. Then copy and paste the script we generated from Google Gemini and hit generate. Once it's done generating, click on the download button on the bottom right. And now the voiceover is ready. We can proceed to the next. The next step is gathering all the visuals needed for the video. Asia, can you give me the site where the guides get their videos?
This guide uses this site for its visuals. You should try it.
Thanks, Asia. So, we'll be using FlexClip to get the visuals. Start by opening a new tab and going to flexclip.com. If it's your first time, create an account. You can use your Google account for quick setup. Once logged in, click Create a Video. Then, Get Started to access the editing workspace. Close any pop-ups and go to the video library. FlexClip's library is extensive, surpassing many other platforms like Canva. You'll find a wide selection of videos to choose from. To download, make sure you have IDM, Internet Download Manager, installed and follow these to download clips. First, let's go back to our video script in Google Gemini. Here you can see scenes that are in a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis is a description of what the scene is. This would help identify what video clips we need. Now, we will just copy it and then go back to FlexClip. Next, we will just paste the description to the video search bar. Then we will just click on a video that we like. Now, you will see an icon that tells you to download the video. Just click it and you can download the video. Do this until you have at least 4 to 5 videos per scene, and that is how we download the visual. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Now for the next step, we are going to combine all the things we do to make it into a whole video. So go to your editing software. For this video, I will use CapCut, but you can use whatever editing software that you prefer. Now, let's go to CapCut. First, we will just import the voiceover and put it into the project. Then, we will drag it to the timeline. The next thing is to cut all the pauses. Now, we will just overlap the clips to get a faster pace. Listen to see if it's natural or not and repeat this for the whole voiceover. When we are done with the whole voiceover, create a compound clip of it. Then, let's go to the second part, which is captioning. Now, to do this, all we have to do is go to the text in the upper section and then hit auto captions. After a few moments, the captions will be generated. Just simply choose from one of the templates on the right side. There is a bunch of them, so feel free to scroll. For this tutorial, I will select this one. Next is to position the caption where you want it to be. Then hit on basic. Select the font you want. I will leave it as is. Next, we will just change the color of the text as we prefer, and we are done for captions. Next, we will just put the visuals according to the caption's timing. So import all the visuals we downloaded in FlexClip. Then put the visuals according to the script like this, and ensure that the visuals we will put will give interest to the viewers. After putting all the visuals, modify the aspect ratio to 16:9 and edit from your own personal touch. Next, we will just add transitions. To do that, hit the transition tab in the upper section. Then, select transition according to what you wanted. Next is the sounds. To find a great track that you could use on YouTube with no problems or legal issues, head over to a royalty-free music provider called Epidemic Sound. You can try it out for 1 week for free with the link below. In Epidemic Sound, choose music with the vibe of our video. For this tutorial, Google Gemini provided that theme for the music. Just head back to Google Gemini and you can see it suggested what music to download. Just search for the terms and listen through some options. I would select this one for our video. Just download it and let's add it to CapCut and put it in our timeline. Now our video is ready for export. Just hit export in the upper right corner. Then choose 60 FPS and 1080p and wait for a few seconds and we are done. Here is a preview of the video.
Hey fitness fam, welcome back to the channel. Today's all about getting a quick and effective workout in, even if you're short on time. We're diving into a killer 7-minute HIIT challenge that requires 0 equipment. HIIT stands for high intensity interval training. It involves short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief recovery periods. This keeps your heart rate up and burns serious calories in a short amount of time. Perfect for busy beginners.
Finally, I'll guide you through the uploading process. First, go to youtube.com and ensure you're signed into the correct account. Now, click the camera icon or create, and then upload video. Next, select your file and start the upload process. While the video uploads, we will input the title and description. Here's a cool trick. We'll use ChatGPT to craft a title that grabs attention. Go to ChatGPT and paste the video script we created earlier inside quotation marks. Asia, can you give us the prompt needed for this?
Don't worry, I already prepared the prompt. Just copy and paste it to the site.
Thanks, Asia, for the prompt. Now we will just pick one of the titles, then copy and paste it into the video title. For the description, again paste the video script inside quotation marks into ChatGPT, and we will ask it for a search-friendly YouTube video description. Then copy and paste the description ChatGPT generates to the video descriptions. Next, we need to upload a thumbnail for better engagement. Here's how to design thumbnails that get clicks and make your videos explode. First things first, grab attention. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and clear visuals. Think pop, something that stands out in a crowded feed. Next, plant plant a seed of curiosity. Ask a question in your title, or show an expression of surprise or excitement on your face. Make viewers wonder what the video is all about. Don't forget to show the benefit. Briefly mention the key takeaway or solution your video offers. Now we have the thumbnail. Next, add the video to an existing playlist or create a new one. Then indicate if your video is made for kids or not. Now, add relevant tags. Next, choose whether to make the video public, private, or unlisted. You can also schedule it for a future date and hit publish. Okay, let's discuss monetizing your channel. There are a few ways to do it. First, we need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized after a couple of uploads. Since these videos are easy to make and quite long, reaching the 4,000 watch hours should happen within 1 or 2 months of posting consistently. Next, consider promoting a product through affiliate marketing. You can look at similar channels to see what products they're promoting. For instance, at the end of their videos, they often promote supplements and include affiliate links. Amazon affiliates, for example, pay commissions on anything bought within 24 hours after someone clicks your link, not just the promoted product. This can be very profitable. Once you find a suitable product, copy its name and join Amazon affiliates or other platforms like ClickBank or Digistore. If Amazon isn't available in your country, sign up, get your affiliate link, provide payment details, and you're set. To summarize, place your affiliate link in your profile description. Include a call to action in your videos. Create about 30 videos using this method. Stay consistent and watch the money start rolling in. So we're done with this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel with AI. Check out our next video where we delve deeper into how Isaac creates viral shorts. See you there.